reporting live from the coronation.
Hello, my citizens, Mixels of Mixopolis. Your new king is here. Beautiful, and he's charming, so he can do backflips. He's me.
The previous king's sudden departure has many wondering if this former prince and notorious party animal is ready to settle down.
Get her shoes! This is my honor to defend luckily it's King Flain the 13th. Today is the start of the new era. A new King Flain. Music and laughing parties and everything fun. And no longer illegal. And you don't have to be afraid of the Mixels anymore. They could take our cubits, they could take our precious metals, they could take our freedom, but they can never take our freedom. Flain! Yeah, I know you make me fall and think things about it and make fantastic. Keep trying me, Punchy. Okay, bring it on. Yo! Let's get this party started. Yo! Here's got ourselves a party! Yeah! Watch my flip. What the? My arm. Yeah. Yahoo! My party is brilliant. All hail King Flain. I've got this. Okay, I got my arm. Ooh. Clam it! Hey, wait a minute. When in television. Yeah. There's no boosters. Oh, yeah. Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Much better. Let's go. I'm just a pretend king. Flain. Yeah. Okay,